What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. As you can see, Bitcoin right now is trading at exactly $29,000, 383. Yes, you already know pretty well about all the scenario that we are having here, this resistance, the higher highs that we are making right now. But today I'm going to bring to you a new approach, a different pattern that I didn't talk about yet on this channel, showing also the possible targets and in the end, something that is concerning me on the crypto market. So if that sounds interesting to you, smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. And today, before we start, I wanted to say thank you guys. We are right now 230 subscribers. We are growing. Just some days ago, I was talking to you about the fact that we hit the 200 subscribers milestone. And now we are already 230 guys. So thank you very much. If you came from Latushi, if you came from Andy, if you came from John, thank you very much guys for the support. The next milestones now are 300, 500, and then finally 1,000. So if you have a friend that is into the crypto market, don't forget to share this content with him. And also don't forget to check if you are already subscribed, because more than 50% of my recurrent viewers are not subscribed yet. And of course, if you're searching for a new exchange to trade guys, I would recommend you first my favorite one, Bybit, the first link on the description. And if you sign up using this link, they are giving to you up to $30,000 bonus guys. But they are requiring KYC, so if you want to keep trading anonymously, I would recommend you to use the second link and get access to Bitflex. So let's finally go to the content guys, and the first thing I have to delete these rectangular zones right here. And the next pattern that I want to talk about is the fallen wedge, the bullish falling wedge, and it is very clear right here. We are respecting this line of resistance and this line of support right here, and actually we have already broken to the upside. And something curious here is that if we zoom in into this area right here, which we are about to do, we are going to see that we have another smaller falling wedge in there. So looking from this perspective, this is a very interesting point, because we just broke out of a bullish pattern and we are correcting a little bit right now, but this correction is forming another bullish pattern. So when this small bullish falling wedge right here breaks to the upside, we can expect, of course, the price at least to come once more to the level of this previous high right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. And there it is guys, the bigger one right here, the breakout, the correction of the breakout movement, forming another smaller falling wedge. So when we break above this level right here, which really looks that we are going to break, because if we watch the RSI right here, you can see that we have bullish divergency as well. So we are having confluence right now of a bullish pattern together with a bullish indicator. And whenever we break this to the upside, of course, the target for the falling wedge is all the way to the top of the movement. And if we zoom out once more, you are going to see that this target right here is a very important level on the daily time frame. There it is here, it is the target, and exactly this level is a very important level of resistance for the price action. And if we want the bigger falling wedge here to hit the target as well, right at the higher high right here at 31,600, of course that we have to see the price breaking above this very important level of resistance, finding support at this level, and then we would be good to go to our final target all the way to the top of this movement. So more important than just hitting the target right here is to see how the price is going to react here, because we don't want to see a double top formation. We don't want to see bearish divergence at this level, because if we are going to see this type of price action, then we are most probably going to be rejected by this level of resistance. And we can even fail this bullish falling wedge guys, exactly as happened on the Ethereum chart right here some time ago. When was it? The breakout of this pattern was on May 28th. So as you can see, resistance, support, bullish falling wedge, breakout to the upside, but here we didn't manage to break above this level of this very similar resistance that we had right here. Let me go back. Can you see how similar this is? Very similar. And on the second attempt of breaking it to the upside, we failed and we just formed a double top. And unfortunately, as you can see, not being able to break above the level of this resistance, we fail this bullish falling wedge. So the same scenario could happen for the Bitcoin right here if we don't manage to break above this important resistance. And finally, I'll tell you the thing that is concerning me. Of course, I repeated a lot of times already, we have very important levels of resistance above the price action, and together with this, guys, if you check the stochastic RSI right here, you can see that today we are flipping bearish. We are seeing this bearish cross right here on the daily time frame, which is a huge thing. It's not closed yet. We still have 2 hours and 40 minutes until it's closed. But on the weekly time frame, we are also having the same thing. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we actually closed already. We actually already had this bearish cross on the weekly time frame, which is even worse. And if on the following days and weeks we are going to keep seeing this moving to the downside right here, going all the way to this area, then guys, of course, this would drag together the price action with it. And by doing so, we would be breaking below the level of this very important moving average that I was telling you about, triggering even more bearishness. And unfortunately, these bearish crosses that I'm showing on the weekly and daily time frame is happening not only on the Bitcoin chart, but also on all these other altcoins, at least most of them. So I'm gonna finish this video with a very important question, and I want you to answer me on the comment section of this video. Are we actually going to see some movements like this, some bearishness, the prices melting down, not only Bitcoin and also the altcoins? Or do you think that the bulls are going to step in, showing a lot of strength on the price section right here, making the stochastic RSI here cross bullish to the upside, guys, like this? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!